And I feel like bago ako pumasok, if ever magkaroon ng project, serye man yun or movie, I really will prepare. Kasi I will not, again, like tulad ng pagpasok ulit dito sa bahay, kung sino man magtitiwala sa akin, I will make sure not to let them down. And I feel like I'll do the same with anything else I do in my life, whether it's sa work or sa relationships. And for sure, you're gonna see the best version of me when it comes to the screen.
Thank you, Ralph. And then last is for Brent. So, for Brent, you were a quiet and unwavering force inside the house, which was your strength kasi parang sasabi mo lagi na introvert ka. But at the same time, it was also a perceived weakness from the viewers. How will you use these traits after your PBB journey?
I guess I would say yung presence ko talaga dito sa Lungay has always been intentional. Yung parang if may masasabihin ako, may gagawin ako, gusto ko yung parang malaki yung magiging ambag ko sa mga kasama ko, sa mga makakarinig na sasabihin ko. And doon na naman talaga ako ever since even before coming in, I've always been quiet. Pero when it mattered most, that's when I become louder. And ganun, pagpapatuloy ko sa labas. I'm gonna be loud when I need to, I'm gonna be quiet when I need to.
Thank you po, and congratulations sa inyong apat.
Thank you so much, Ms. Gia Bote of When in Manila. Okay, ngayon naman, we have some questions from G. Trilliana of Malaya Business Insight. Oh, wow. First is for Brent. Okay, Brent, anong moment sa bahay ni Kuya ang gusto mong balikan?
Moment gusto mong balikan? Siguro yung big jump challenges. Kasi doon talaga nag-shift yung pananaw ko sa pagpasok sa PBB. Kasi I went in talaga just for introducing myself to the audience ng PBB. But during that time, doon ko na-prove sa sarili ko na I really wanted the title. Na gusto ko din talaga ba na maging big winner kasi hindi siya biro na akala ko dati pag naging big winner, siguro sinuswerte lang yan or malaki yung fan support sa labas dahil siguro nagandahan sila or nagka-love team. Pero mahirap din talaga siya. Sobrang hirap mapunta sa Big Four. Sobrang hirap manatili dito sa loob ng bahay for how many months and wala kang idea kung ano ng mga binabato sa'yo sa labas. Hindi mo alam kung sirang-siraan na pala or you're doing things na
Pwede ka mag-dos.
you can really be proud of. Pero yun, siguro yun, yung big jump challenges talaga yung pinaka-tumatak sa buong stadium.
Oo.
Parang very, would you say, life-changing, personality-changing?
It was. Kasi doon ko na, ever since na pumasok ko dito, punong-puno talaga ako ng self-assurance. Pero nung na-experience ko yung mga big jump challenges, parang nagka-konting doubt na ako sa sarili ko na I'm meant to stay here. Like, I was willing to give up my spot before na lang. Pero I still felt like yung spot ko na yun, deserve ko rin naman. Pero during those times na big jump challenges yun, kung talaga naman, probably ibang housemates mas magagawa ito ng maayos kumpara sa akin. But then, when we won that third challenge, doon ko na, okay, deserving pa rin pala talaga.
Thank you so much, Brent. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina sa Kapamilya ex-housemates, not only do you get to know other people, other personalities, but grabe rin yung assurance sa sarili mo, may